Hello and welcome to the video by Trump Excel. I am Sumit Bansal, and in this video I will show you how to insert a picture into an Excel cell in such a way that if you hide a row or if you filter cells, then the pictures get filtered or get hidden as well. In this case, I have a list of companies and their logos in the cell right next to it. And if I apply filter to it, so if I go to data and I apply filter here, and if I filter the company names, let's say I deselect all and I only select the first three, then you can see that all the other logos are gone. Only the logos for the filtered companies are visible here. Similarly, if I remove this filter and if I hide these rows, then those images, those pictures get hidden as well. So let's see how to do this. Here I have the name of the companies, and the first thing I need to do is I need to insert those pictures, those logos. So I would go to the insert tab here, and within pictures I have these two company logos, Amazon and Google. So let me insert it here, and then you would have to resize this logo in such a way that it fits perfectly within the cell. You can resize it, and one good technique is to hold the alt key and then move it towards that cell, and when you do it, it'll snap to that cell, so it's easier to fit into the cell. Let me do this for Google as well. So I would fit in Google here. Now once these pictures are in these cells, what we need to do is we need to right click on these pictures, go to format picture, and here within picture properties, which is here in picture properties, you need to select move and size with cells, and the same thing needs to be done for the other pictures or all the images that you're inserting. Now what would happen is this would move and size with the cells here. If I filter the cells, it'll get filtered, it'll not be visible. If I hide it, it'll be hidden. Let's try this. I would use Ctrl Shift L to apply filter, and here if I remove Amazon but keep Google, then let's see what happens. Amazon logo goes away but Google logo stays. Let's see what happens if I don't do it. In this case, let me go back to format picture and again reverse the setting here. I say move but don't size with cells. In this case, if I apply filter and I remove Amazon but select Google, see what happens. You have both the logos, Amazon and Google, which is not what you want. So to apply those changes, one simple thing you need to do is go to format picture and within properties, just make it move and size with cells, and in that way, if you filter these cells, if you hide these cells, the pictures get filtered or hidden as well. So that's it in this video. I hope you found this useful. Thank you and have a nice day.